What is going on, guys? February is here, so let's go over the 10 crops you can sow right now indoors or even outdoors depending on what zone you're in. Starting off the list with everyone's favorite, and that would be tomatoes. You guys know tomatoes is a staple in every single garden out there. It would be incomplete if you didn't grow tomatoes. Now, depending on what climate you're in, you want to sow these indoors ahead of time so that way when March or April comes around and the warmer climate comes in, you can transplant them. But if you are in the warmer climates, go ahead and sow them directly outside if you like. Next on the list would be peppers. Peppers are fantastic. It doesn't matter if you're growing the sweet variety or the spicy variety. Both are amazing and very easy to grow. They're very fun to harvest. They do prefer a warmer temperature, so go ahead and start these indoors, and then once it warms up, take them outside, all right? Number 3 on the list is one of the easiest things you can grow, and that is lettuce. Lettuce is so hardy, it takes no effort to grow them. They grow so fast, and you can harvest them over and over and over again with the cut and come again method. There's no better feeling than walking to your backyard, harvesting some lettuce, and having a homegrown salad. Number 4 on the list is actually one of my personal favorite, and that is broccoli. I don't know if you ever tried this before, but if you try harvesting broccoli right before it bolts, it is so sweet. It's like sugar because the plant starts to produce a lot of sugar to help the flowers. So if you ever get a chance to harvest some broccoli, the leaves, the floret, the shoot, whatever, it doesn't matter. It tastes like pure sugar and it is delicious. Makes amazing snacks. So please grow some. Next up, guys, is carrots. Carrots is my absolute favorite to do chaos gardening. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically just throwing seeds all over the place and just letting it grow. They're so easy, low maintenance, and they're delicious. And you just sprinkle them everywhere. You'll have tons of carrots by the end of the season. Moving on to number 6 on the list, and that would be Swiss chards. Swiss chard is very easy to grow. Trust me, it takes almost no effort. Just keep them watered every now and then, and you'll be a-okay. They grow very fast. They're very delicious, very fun, crunchy texture, and you can make so many different dishes with them. You can even eat them raw if you want to. So add this to your list, guys. And continuing the trend of super nutritious food, and that would be kale. Kale is extremely delicious, but they're also super expensive out in the grocery store. So why not grow your own, They have a fun, crunchy texture. And believe it or not, they're biannual. That means that they can survive for 2 years. So plant them once, harvest for 2 years, and you're good to go. Add this, guys. They're amazing. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And move on to number 8 on the list is my absolute favorite, and that is sugar daddies. This is probably the best garden snacks ever. They never make it inside. As soon as one is ready for picking, it goes right in your mouth. They're so sweet, so delicious, easy to grow. You got to grow these, okay? Number 9 on the list is one of the easiest things you can grow, and you can harvest them really, really fast, and that would be radishes. The French breakfast variety, to be more specific. They take about 20 to 25 days, so you'll be harvesting very quickly. They make great little snacks. They're kind of crunchy, and they have a kick to it too. So if you do like a little bit of ting or a little bit of spiciness, radish are very fun to grow. So add these to your list, guys. And number 10 on the list, guys, is beets. Beets is absolutely loaded with nutrition. They're so, so healthy. You can eat them in so many different ways too. You can make smoothies out of them. You can cook them. You can eat them raw too, I believe. But they're extremely healthy, easy to grow. They're root crops, so just pop into the soil, keep them watered, and you're done. It takes about 2 weeks to grow. And with an added bonus, these two aren't crops, but I highly recommend you guys grow them. It is marigold and lupin. These things are beautiful. They attract a lot of pollinators for your garden, so add these to your list. They're very beautiful, adds a lot of dimension as well too. Just the color of them. It brings a lot of vibrant colors to your garden and just makes it pop. So grow some of these for fun too. There you go, guys. Those are 10 crops you can grow right now in February. Hopefully you guys found this video useful, and as always, take it easy.